How to find archived text messages on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, tap on the messages application on your device. Now, in order to find the archived text messages, first of all, let's start by archiving the text messages. So I'm going to make a long press on one of the messages over here, and then here you'll be able to see the archive option over here over at the top. So tap on it, and here you have archived the text message. Now, in order to find this archived text message, what you need to do is just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on archived option at the bottom of the screen. So here you'll be able to see your archived text message on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.